I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming basics. Check battery level and that the touchscreen responds because interruptions ruin resets. Once ready, open Settings and go to Security or Lock Screen. This is where Android stores unlock controls. You're not just tapping, you're locating the active lock type so you can change it. If you see biometrics, PIN, pattern, or password listed, note which one. That determines the next steps and whether you'll need your Google account or device password to proceed. Now authenticate with the current method so Android allows changes. You must prove it's your device. Once authenticated, tap Screen Lock Type and pick None or swipe to remove the lock, or choose a new PIN/password if you prefer. For biometric locks, first disable fingerprint or face under biometric settings, then change the main screen lock. Android ties biometrics to the primary method. Make sure to confirm changes. The system may require a final PIN or account verification to apply. Finish by restarting the phone so the new lock state initializes across the system. If you can't unlock, try Google's Find My Device to reset lock remotely or sign into your Google account for recovery prompts. Factory reset is a last resort because it erases data. If problems persist, make sure device encryption and Google account are active. Those can block some lock changes, and contact the device maker for model-specific boot or recovery steps. One tip: back up before risky fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.